Have you ever taken a weekend off, slept in, watched Netflix, did nothing, and still felt tired on Monday? Yeah, that's burnout. And here's the thing, rest alone won't fix it. Burnout isn't just about being tired. It's about being mentally, emotionally, and even spiritually drained. In this video, I'll show you why your usual just rest more approach doesn't work, and what actually does. You've probably heard it before. Just take a break. Go on vacation. Treat yourself. But here's the truth. Burnout isn't solved by sleep alone. Because burnout isn't just about exhaustion. It's about disconnection. Disconnection from purpose. Disconnection from joy. Disconnection from who you were before you got buried under deadlines and expectations. When you're truly burned out, rest feels like putting a Band-Aid on a leak in a dam. What you need isn't just rest, it's restoration. Let's bust a few myths real quick. Sleep won't fix burnout if your mind's still racing with guilt. A vacation won't help if you dread going back to your life. Self-care won't save you if it's just bubble baths and not boundaries. The truth is, most of us are trying to escape burnout without actually changing anything. And burnout loves that. It thrives in routines that no longer serve you. So, what actually helps? Here are 3 things that work better than rest alone. 1. Reconnect with meaning. Burnout often shows up when you're busy doing things that don't align with your values. Ask yourself, when was the last time I did something that made me feel alive, not just productive? Even small things, a creative hobby, helping someone, being in nature, can light that spark again. 2. Set emotional boundaries. Burnout isn't just from overworking, it's from overgiving. If you're always saying yes to others and no to yourself, your emotional bank runs dry fast. Learn to say, I can't do that right now. I need time for myself. It's not selfish, it's survival. 3. Do nothing with intention. This is not the same as zoning out on your phone for hours. Intentional rest means doing nothing on purpose. Letting your mind wander, giving your brain space to breathe. This is where creativity, clarity, and calm come back. So if you're feeling burned out, remember this. You don't need more rest. You need more of you back. Start small. Reconnect with something that matters. Protect your energy like it's gold, because it is. And give yourself permission to pause with purpose. If this resonated with you, give it a like. It helps more people find this. Drop a comment. What's one thing you can start doing today to restore yourself? And don't forget to subscribe for more psychology-based self-growth videos to help you feel less burned out and more you again. You've got this.